GMP is an international concept. The initials stand for Good Manufacturing Practice. In particular, GMP has been established to prevent mistakes in the production of medicines, in the production of medical devices, and the packaging of medicines. In order to consistently make the same products, instructions from documents need to be followed. So, everyone needs to adhere to the instructions that are laid down in documents. Management is responsible for seeing to it that everyone can work in accordance with GMP. Management does this by providing appropriate areas and good equipment. It also provides clear work instructions. But you yourself are also responsible for the GMP regulations applied to everyone whose duties may have an effect on the quality of the product. Whether you work in administration, handle maintenance, clean, carry out analysis, or are directly involved in production. Medicines must be pure. No chemicals should be present that don't belong there. The packaging of medicines may also not contain any impurities. In medicines, the presence of chemicals or microorganisms that should not be there is called contamination. Contaminated medicine to a patient may have very serious consequences. An ill person has a low resistance. As a result of some contamination, a patient may get worse, or, in the worst case, die. During production, contamination from dirt and dust must be prevented. But contamination can also be created by other pharmaceutical substances. This is called cross-contamination. People can contaminate medications, for example by shedding hairs, by eating or smoking in the work area, or by illness. In order to prevent contamination by people, work must be done in accordance with GMP.